In today's video, I will teach you how to generate a caricature-style portrait using AI. Let's get started. Caricatures are a fun and playful way to reimagine yourself or someone else. With oversized heads, exaggerated facial features, and cartoonish expressions, caricature portraits are great for profile pictures, social media content, and even party invitations. Thanks to Photor's AI artifacts, you can now create a caricature-style portrait in just a few clicks. So launch your browser and go to Photor AI Artifacts. This is where you'll find all the AI-powered art filters, including the caricature style. Now click the Upload Image button or drag and drop your image into the editor. For best results, make sure to choose a well-lit front-facing portrait with a neutral background, and avoid cropped faces, profile views, or heavily filtered images, as these may confuse the AI and lead to distorted results. Now look to the left sidebar of the editor, where you'll find various art categories. Then scroll down to the avatar section. Then click the caricature option to apply the effect. Within seconds, your image will be transformed into a humorous cartoon version with a larger-than-life head and stylized features typical of caricature art. Now click the Compare button located at the bottom right of the editor to view the original image side by side with your new caricature version. If you're not happy with the results, you can click the Regenerate button on the effect's thumbnail, and each generation gives a slightly different version of the caricature. Regeneration usually takes around 10 seconds, and you can repeat this as many times as needed to get a version you like best. And once satisfied with the final image, click Download to save it to your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.